Presenting our Period 2 documentation from Santa Monica, California, I am a student in the Samuel High Ball team number 225. Starting with our game strategy, the small robot will start in the upper start box before going through the upper warehouse and down the access ramp while collecting pom-poms along the way. Once the robot has collected these pom-poms, it will proceed to collect the remaining pom-poms in the traffic cones located in the warehouse floor. From there, the robot will leave half the pom-poms in both traffic cones in the lower start box, and the other pom-poms will be left in the sector of the warehouse floor directly bordering the lower start box. Our upper robot's effectors are the plow extending on both sides, the separator centered in the middle of the plow, and the clamp that shuts the front of the plow. The plow is made entirely out of Legos, and so is the separator. There are two servos on this side, both utilized as a joint for the clamp to close off the plow. Before the robot goes down the ramp, the clamp lowers to stop the pom-poms from falling down. The lower robot is meant to place a 3D printed drum collector next to the drum dispenser to collect the drums in a consistent location. Once drums are released, it will begin picking them up and sorting them into the two drum storages. On the way between these goals, it will move around pom-poms for our smaller robot to sort. Our large robot's effector is its arm. It is composed of two servos that act as joints, one servo that operates the claw at the end of the arm, and a camera directly above the claw. The two joints allow for a more versatile movement and longer reach. The claw at the start of the round will be holding the 3D printed drum collector that can be used to move pom-poms and that will eventually be placed to collect the drums. The drum will detect the color of collected drums in order to sort them. We designed the arm by thinking about how we were going to put the drums on the drum storage, because that is a height requirement that we must meet. We decided on a 3-servo arm to make sure that we ran into as little position problems as possible. This was an issue at first because of the two heavy servos. We changed the orientation of the servos to be better balanced, and we changed the orientation of the servos to be better balanced. We've also had issues with consistency, stemming from variation in the positioning of the non-motorized component of the claw.